Good evening, friends. My name is Santosh. I am going to explain very nice topic. That is not a topic. So that is an four statements. I know lots of time, lots of peoples they are new for speaking English. When any person want to speak in English and they want to start something for speaking English, so they have do some activity, but when they are doing some activity, that time they created some mistake. That mistakes I am going to explain in today's lecture. Means when I am a new and I want to speak English, when I am a new and I want to speak English, but I have no idea what is the correct procedure, what is the correct way, and I am doing some activity for speaking English. I am doing some activity for speaking English. So that time I created some mistakes. So what is that? How much mistakes created by me? So that mistakes I am going to explain. There are four mistakes. Four mistakes. One by one I am going to explain all the mistakes. So first mistake is they follow grammar. They follow grammar. I know grammar is necessary, grammar is must. If any person want to speak English in front of the peoples, that time they mostly use grammar. But in English there are lots of grammar. When I am thinking about grammar, then I am lots of confused. What can I do? I have no idea which is the correct statement, which is the correct tense, because in English there are 12 tense, structure, modules, WH, this, that, this, those, have, has, like, etc. If I am a new, I have no idea. Lots of time I am confused. If I want to speak English, some people suggest me use grammar, read more and more books. In market there are lots of book. Lots of time you write that book, you read that book, you listen that book, you see that book, but you have no ability for speak front of the people. You have no ability for speak front of the people. So that's why if you are watching my video very carefully, in today's video I am explain four mistakes made by beginners. I entered one word. That word means beginner. If I am a new means beginner. I have no idea. Then if I am following grammar, then I am not able to speak English. If I follow grammar, I know without grammar we cannot speak English. But if I want to speak English and suddenly I follow grammar, then I never speak English. That is the first mistake. What is first mistakes? They follow grammar. In earlier lectures I have already told that thing. Means some people try to speak according to grammar. I know. After some time later you will be correct your statement. You will be use grammar. But right now grammar is not necessary if you are beginner. That is the first point. Then what is the second point? They are trying to perfect English. They are trying to speak perfect English. They are trying to speak perfect English. I know. If you have no idea and you try to do some activity, means mistakes are proof you are trying. Mistakes are proof you are trying. So don't worry about your mistakes. But if you are trying to do perfect English, means you are not able to do. Remember, if I am a new and I am going to well for swimming, I have no idea. I have no idea. On that point, if firstly I think I swim very well, then I will enter in the well. That thing is not happen. That thing is not happen. So when we think about the perfect, no any person is perfect from born. When we are doing practice again and again and again and again, then we will perfect. When we do some practice. So practice makes man perfect, not a current condition. If you are doing some practice, then you will be perfect after some time later. Means practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. So that's why don't think about perfect English. Definitely day by day you should practice, and after some time later you will be speak very well in English. That is the second point. Means lots of people try to speak perfect English, so that's why they are not able to speak English. They are not able to speak English. Then our third point, no patience. Patience. What is meant by patience? Patience means if I am motivated, when I am watching some videos and I want to speak English. But remember, that process gives lots of time. Means when you are trying to do some activity, that time they give lots of time. Means they have no patience. Means when we think about no patience, if I think I am speaking English but I have no patience, what can I do? Means patience is important, because when you are starting to speak in English, that time they give 1 month, 15 days, 1 year, 6 months, as like etc. They give lots of time. No anything happens suddenly. When we do some act, when we do some practices, then something happen after some time later. If we think right now I am doing something and I want to show a result, that is not present thing. That is not a happen thing. Means when we are doing some practice, then after some time later we will do some activity. Means we will speak English. Right now it's not possible. If early morning I get up and I think today I am speaking English, I have no patience. Remember, when you are trying to do any activity, that time you increase your patience. But some people no patience, so that's why they are not speaking English. And our last points, that means number 4, translation. Translation. What do you mean by translation? My mother tongue is Marathi. When I am trying to speak in English, that time my thinking convert into Marathi. That is not good enough. When I am talking with some people, if my thinking is convert into English, then it's good. That mistakes followed by beginner. Means if I am a new and I have no idea, what can I do? That time if I convert my thinking into English, means translation. If I think that statement working ... as like etc. As like etc. Means when we think about the translations, every person, they are beginner to speak in English, they translate every statement into English. If my mother tongue is Marathi, firstly that statement I set up in Marathi, then that statement I convert into English. That statement I convert into English, then I will speak front of the peoples. Means when you are trying to speak in English, when you are new in the society for speaking English, that time you make 4 mistakes. That mistakes I told in my today's lecture. Remember once again, I am going to explain 4 mistakes. They are follow grammar. That is the mistakes. They are trying to speak perfect English. They have no patience, and they translation means they translate that statement into other form. I hope you understand my lecture very well. If you like my lecture, press the like button and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.